Guys, I come out here, I'm gonna be checking my dang traps, seeing if I got any critters in my trap. It's really cold because it's snowing. Like, I'm sitting here shivering. I'm not even overreacting right now, man. Like, it's really cold out here. Yeah. For some reason, this is the only good thing about an Android is you can pause your videos, and you cannot do that on an iPhone. But the first trap don't look like it got anything, so this is probably going to be a decently long video because I can't pause it. Golly, guys, it's cold. Like, if y'all are here right now standing with me, you'd see how cold it is. Ooh, I even feel bad for something that's in my trap right now. It's so cold. Even a possum be cold. Golly. So yeah, walking through here, I don't see nothing in that trap. Golly, guys, if I ain't got nothing in my trap, I'm gonna be really mad because it's just so dang cold and I'm out here in it. Golly. Yeah, it is pretty though, and the camera quality is really good on this phone. I mean, guys, I'm used to having a crappy little Android. It was such a big upgrade when I got an iPhone. Whoa. Do I have anything on my travel right here? Ain't got nothing on that one. I didn't even think I got anything. I'm still gonna upload the video if I don't. Just because I'm so cold. Oh crap, man. There is boot footprints. Wait. Guys, wait. You see this? Them ain't even my boots. And they're coming back here. Where do they go to? Do these things lead to my traps? These oversized boot prints lead to my trap. And they're like way bigger than mine. Y'all saw that. Yeah, but this wasn't just like any normal snow. It was actually an ice storm, man. So there's a good reason I'm out here freezing balls. It was an ice storm, not just a little bit of snow. Nah, it's a dang eastern Kentucky ice storm. I'm getting out of here because I saw these boot footprints and they kind of creep me out, guys. I really don't like that. I have one more trap set. Oh. Well, guys, I guess I didn't get anything in my traps. And me, well, this is how I hope I live to even upload this dang YouTube video. There's some kind of guy out here in the woods. I'm out. Well,